You knew you had an out, a nonviolent option. But instead of leaving as you had done twice before, what did you do? We know what you did. You went out. You bought 2 hunting knives. You tested them for sharpness. You laid in wait in a darkened hallway. You ambushed your unsuspecting wife and you butchered her. Self-defense? I don't think so.
You heard it right there. Good afternoon. MUZZAMMIL Hassan killed his wife, and now he has lost his children. News 4's LOREY Schultz was in the courtroom at his sentencing this morning. She brings us the latest. LOREY.
Yeah, Victoria, today we found out exactly what the judge felt about convicted murderer MUZZAMMIL Hassan and his 11th hour attempt to delay sentencing. He really let him have it and then some. Take a look at some of the highlights from Erie County Court this morning. You can't blame Judge Thomas Franzak for being skeptical when convicted killer MUZZAMMIL Hassan tried to get his sentencing adjourned by hiring a new attorney, Earl Keyes. Hassan's gone through 4 attorneys in 2 years. Prosecutor COLLEEN GABLE opposed the motion.
The inevitable is now he is going to state prison. Today is the day of sentencing.
The judge agreed.
So here we are again, where he's seeking to test this court's willingness to stretch the boundaries of justice. And quite frankly, I have reached my limit.
Hassan kept his eyes low through most of the proceedings, saying only this just moments before being sentenced.
I deeply regret that things came down to what they came down to, and I truly wish there would have been some alternative mechanism.
Hassan was convicted February 7th of second-degree murder in the beheading and repeating stabbing of his wife, Assia. The judge had some stern words for Hassan moments before he sentenced him.
You laid in wait in a darkened hallway. You ambushed your unsuspecting wife and you butchered her. Self-defense? I don't think so.
The judge issued an order of protection, barring Hassan from having any contact with his children.
Well, how ironic is it that your 2 little ones are now without their father and their mother, and they are a world apart from their elder siblings?
The judge also told Hassan that if ever a message was lost on the messenger, this was it.
He claims also in his letter that he was an abused spouse. And I am sure that there are more men than we can imagine who are victims of domestic violence, and you have done them no favors. Given the horrific nature of this crime, justice demands that you receive nothing less than the maximum possible punishment.
And LOREY Schultz back live night right outside Erie County Court. Hassan received the maximum, which was 25 years to life. He is expected to appeal. The courtroom was absolutely packed, and at least 4 jurors came to see the sentencing. I spoke with them afterward, and I'll bring you their comments tonight at 5. Live in Buffalo, LOREY Schultz, News 4.